Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I will show you how we can add scale bar to our images, and these images can be taken through cameras or maybe it has been scanned through different scanners. As here in this article you can see these panels have been mentioned along with scale bar. As here you can see this length is representing 50 millimeters. So if you have also images and if you want to present them in your research article, so it is essential for almost all the journals to mention their scale bar. So in this example I will use this software, which is actually the ImageJ software, and this software is freely available, and if you want to download you can just go to the Google and write ImageJ software download, and this software is totally free for research and you can download and install. And let me show you through an example that how you can add these scale bars. So in this example I will be using this image. You can see this is actually scanned through a scanner, and it is good practice if you can keep a ruler along your image or along your object when you are capturing through it camera or when you are scanning it through any scanner. So it is good if you can keep a scale bar along the side. So let me use this, and we can go to this ImageJ software. As here you can see this ImageJ software is already installed, so we can go to the file and we can go to this open. So as here you can see this figure, we can directly open this in our software ImageJ. So as here you can see now this software ImageJ is showing its properties. As here you can see has been mentioned in inches and as well as the RGB colors, length into width, and here are its total size. So what we can first of all we can draw one line, and to draw one line we can click on this, and from here, as here you can see here we have 0, so we can click on and we can take it to, let's suppose, till 8 centimeter. As here you can see this line is representing centimeter. So now we can just draw a line using this tool, and after that we can go to this analyze, and as here we can see there is a set scale option, so we can just simply click on this set scale. So as here you can see this is actually measuring this distance, which is actually 946 megapixel. So we know that this is actually the known distance and is equal to 8 centimeter, and from here you can change your unit of length. I mean, if you are measuring in micron, meter or centimeter, millimeter, whatever you are using the unit of length, so you can directly mention that. So as in this case we are using centimeters, so I will simply write centimeters. So there is no need to tick this global option because we are only dealing with one image, so we can simply click on this OK. And as here you can see now we have set our scale, and we can go back again to analyze, and as previously we have set our scale, so now we can go to this tools, and as here we can see we have scale bar option. So here you can see as I have clicked the scale or bar option, so it is now showing the scale bar. So from here we can adjust the width and height. I mean, if you want to write it as 1 centimeter, so even if you will make 2, so it will increase its length, and if you want to increase the thickness, so you can, maybe it would be appropriate if we can use even 10, yeah, for this. And font size even we can increase, maybe we can write like 25. We don't need to change this height in centimeter, we can only adjust this width in centimeter. It will automatically change this height, and we can adjust the thickness of pixels according to our own need. I mean, if we want to make it little more thicker, so we can make 15, and from here we can choose its font size, and from here we can choose any color like white, black, and light gray, red if we choose red one. And from here we can also select the background. So if we select background like white, so we can, it is up to our own choice, I mean whatever color we use. So we can go with any one, like we can also go with blue one and white one, and even if we can go with green one. And this is actually for the selection of your, I mean which position, like upper right, and this is up lower left, and similarly upper left. And from here at selection, I mean wherever we will move the cursor, so it can go to that position. So we can maybe lower right is good, and from here we can change its vertical position. We can even hide the text, and we can use different font sizes if needed. So from here you can just take a screenshot using just simply write like SNP. That is actually the snipping tool. So we can just save this anywhere we want. As here you can see, if we want to use this one, so we can simply save this position, like we can go with this one, so we can save this with a 1. So as here you can see, now we have scale on our images. So in this way we can use this ImageJ software to set the scale. Hopefully this video will be helpful in adding the scale to your images. If you have still any question, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.